All right, so I just received from DS and Durga a package. It is a really cool layering set. So the idea is it's a murder mystery. They give you one fragrance. Your job is to layer 5 different fragrances and find that combination. They come with different scents. They give you this pamphlet raw here. So we have Dr. Newman Hay, Professor Rose, Prince Amber, Madame Currant, and Pat Von Chuli. I have worn all 5 fragrances, tested them out, see what I thought about them. So let's discuss this set. First off, you get this cool little pamphlet right here. Let's see if I can open it. Come on, there we go. And it allows you to write down what order you actually went with, like how many sprays of Dr. Newman Hay, Professor Rose, and so forth. Give you 2 of these different ones. It's a fun idea. Again, it's kind of like a game. I'm not gonna lie. This kind of reminds me of Fragrance and Clue combined, and I am all for this because it's a whodunit. Absolutely love it. If you go to their website, which I'll link it up here, you can actually watch an entire promo video they made talking about this. And it's a whole idea about a perfumer making their fragrance, and all of a sudden the last page gets torn out and your job is to figure out how to make it. You get this box right here. Again, it's a murder mystery fragrance layering set from DS and Durga. If you haven't heard of them, they're an amazing niche brand. One of my favorite fragrances I talk about all the time is Italian Citrus from DS and Durga. It's a beautiful green citrus fragrance. Smells kind of like a green meadow next to a citrus orchard. Amazing, absolutely love it. They made this set, and honestly, the level of detail is incredible. Inside this box comes these 6 little 10 ml decants. Yes, we have the I don't know what. That is the fragrance. And then here's the other 5 fragrances. Amber is a dark, heavy amber. It is beautiful. If you like that really smoky, kind of like a medieval castle style of amber, that's what you get with that. Professor Rose, beautiful rose. Kind of reminds me of a like oud satin mood, ombre nomad style rose. Just gorgeous rose. Highly recommend it. You have Pat Von Chuli. Again, this is a beautiful patchouli fragrance. Again, more like the amber. It's a little bit of a darker patchouli. This isn't like a super light. This is a darker, heavy patchouli. Great for a base. You have Dr. Newman Hay. It's actually the last one that I've sprayed. I sprayed it on right before this video, so I'm just now kind of getting used to it, the scent of it. It's really nice. I'm enjoying it. Nice vibes, definitely recommend it. And then finally, Madame Currant. Holy cow, I'm obsessed with it. It is incredible. It's a beautiful scent. I honestly could wear a Madame Currant every day and be happy. It's good. It's very good. Highly, highly recommend it. I haven't actually done the layering yet. That's something I'm probably gonna do. Maybe I'll do it on a live or 2, and I'll write down and post things and things like that and make some more videos. Because honestly, this is a really cool idea. I really like it. If anyone's interested, I'll link to the actual discovery set. It's over at DS and Durga's website. Again, super happy to have this, super happy to try it out, test it out, and see what I think about it. This is something that I've never heard of before. Again, this is a fun little game, fun event, something you can do with fragrance. I am all for this. I think the world needs more stuff like this, where you can use scent to actually make something that could be a fun time out. So this is, again, the I don't know what murder mystery layering set from DS and Durga. This is Nubs Fragrances. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope everyone has a great day. Talk to you soon.